Hey, Matt here with 911R and Brain Trailer and Avant-Garde. We're here in the Scottsdale showroom, and we have this 1988 Ferrari 328 GTS. And I just want to do a little walk around, talk about this car. We got this car from a local collector that has lots of cars, and he asked us to get prepped up and ready for sale. In preparing the car for sale, we took it to Steve at ECS here in Scottsdale, Deer Valley area. He's a world-renowned Ferrari and Lamborghini expert, and he did the major service on this car, and also did, went through all the systems and made sure everything was working. In the major service, he did timing belts, valve adjust, cam seals, all the gaskets, all the fluids, flushed the brakes, and just really made sure the car is up into a running order. They could go out and use this car and really enjoy it. We've gone around the car. The car is, body and paint is really nice on the car. The paint reads all between 6 and 7, all the way around the paint mirror. We'll post another video with paint mirror readings and paint quality. But the front of the car has very few marks or chips or anything in it. Really nothing really that sticks out that I'd be worried about or even can really point to. I mean, the paint has a nice luster to it. It's nice and smooth. It's obviously been paint corrected by somebody at some time. We put brand new Michelin tires on it, which really helps the ride quality of this car. The old ones were pretty old. The glass is all very nice on it. There's no shrinkage on the dash. You can see, the GTS model means that it's a target top, so this removable panel fits behind the seats and stores really nicely. The AC works on the car. The windows all working good on it. Why don't you come around over here, and you can see the only real modification I can see on this car, it's got a 355 shift knob, which is a nice aluminum feel in your hand, opposed to the plastic knob that these cars had originally. The Momo steering wheel is original. But all the gauges, all the carpet, the seat leather is very nice. Has, it said, Keith Collins Ferrari Prancing Horse floor mats in it. Let's open up the trunk in the front as well. We'll start over here. 88, which is really nice because you don't have the little push button to lower the hood. It just has a regular gas strut, which is nice. The Space Caesar spare wheel. Unfortunately, I don't have any spare tools or books or any of the extra stuff. Somehow they got lost along the way. We are continuing to try to look, but right now I don't have them. In the engine bay, just a real period correct looking engine bay, nothing goofy. Again, Steve went through and sorted everything. The zipper for the rear luggage compartment works nice and no flaws. All the carpet, all the panels, and everything all look really good and clean. Close it up nicely here. But, this is for a 328. I like these 88s, the non-ABS cars like an 89, because you have a little dish to the wheel. I think they'll look real sharp. Center caps are all nice and bright. This seems to be a really nice example of an 88 328. Any questions, let us know. Use the contact seller button. If you're interested in 911R consigning a car with us, use that as well, and we'll be happy to talk about what you got. Thank you.